Here's how to use the gas tracker on Etherscan step by step. First, open your browser and go to etherscan.io/gas tracker, or just search Etherscan Gas Tracker on Google. The gas tracker shows you live gas prices for Ethereum. That's the fee you pay to send or interact with a smart contract. At the top, you'll see three levels: low, base fee; slowest but cheapest; average, decent speed and fair price; high, priority, fastest but most expensive. These are shown in GWEI, the unit for measuring gas fee. Below that, Etherscan shows estimated fees for common actions like sending Ethereum, swapping or Uniswap, or maintaining an NFT. You can also scroll down to see historic gas price trends, busiest times of the day, and tips for saving on gas. Before confirming any Ethereum transaction, check the gas tracker. If prices are high, wait a few minutes or choose a lower fee to save money. And that's how you use the Etherscan Gas Tracker, a free tool to help you save fees and time on Ethereum network. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.